Okay, no problem. We should proceed. Where were we? Yes, the printing. Okay, we have just print the shipping label. We just print the shipping labels. And if you have other sheets to print, you can also print it here. And after printing, you can ship this order. Ship. This button means the deduction of the stock. Okay, if you ship an order, the stock will be deducted. And before that, the stock was locked. Okay, allocated. And like we can try one, ship it, confirm. So this order will go to the next status to pick up orders. We'll talk about this later. Okay, and we have just introduced the sheets, shipping labels, and other things. Please know that these shipping labels and pick list or pack list are those standard template from the platform. On Bigseller, we have the customized template here. This is the entrance setting. First one, shipping settings. This is the way you can customize your shipping labels. Choose a specific logistics, whether it is Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok Shop, whatever. Just choose one you want to customize shipping the templates for, like for example Shopee and Malaysia, GNT, or Shopee Express, whatever. Just choose one, edit. And see the button here, change. Click this button and you'll be able to customize your shipping labels. But before that, we also have other options. The default carry method. If you want to set pickup or drop off for the GNT Express, and another one, if you want to print the pack list together with the shipping label for GNT. If so, enable it or close it. Okay, change here. This is the standard one provided by the platform, and on Bigseller, this is the customized one. Here we have some options for you guys. Click to display it on the shipping labels. Quantity, product number, okay, and plus your company logo. If you want to use Shopee logo, then keep this one. If you want to use your company logo, your shop logo, choose this one and upload an image. And then confirm and save. So this template will be activated for Malaysia GNT Express. Okay, save it. This is the customized shipping label. And if you are looking for the customized invoice, pick list, and pack list, check this one, template settings. This is the invoice template. Here to add a new template, or here to edit the existing template. Okay, add a new template. This is the options we provide for the invoice. Also the logo, company name, address, phone, email, etc. Click it to display it on the invoice or keep it unselected. And then save. Save. Okay. And then you will see the templates here. When you are trying to print the invoice, when you're trying to print the invoice, like print invoice, the system will show all the invoice templates here. You can select which one to print. Okay. This is the invoice template, and also order templates for pack list and pick list. Is basically about whether pictures attached or not. Pictures attached or not. Like pack list. Only text, pure text, or with picture. This is the major difference. Okay. And then save it to keep these options. Same as the pick list. Edit. Standard one with pictures. Simplified one, no pictures. And then the options, and then save it for pick list templates. So just remember shipping settings for shipping labels template. Template settings for invoice and the pack list and pick list templates. Okay, this is the entrance setting. Okay, let's go back to the orders. I have shown you how to ship an order with this button or bulk check ship here. But we also have another way to ship your order, which is scan to ship. This one, if you have a lot of orders, if you have tons of orders, you can try this one. Connect a scanner, and you can scan your packages and send them to pick up orders directly without needing to click the buttons again and again. Scan to ship. Scan or input the tracking number or package number. We don't have a scanner today, so we'll just input it. For example, scan the tracking number or package number. Here, before we scan it, we have some settings we need to know. If you want to print a manifest with the tracking number, the first setting, and the second, the scan setting times. Scan times, we have two options, 1 time and 2 times. If you want to double check, if you want to confirm before finally shipping, keep it as 2 times. And we'll see, save it. So the first time we scan this order, this package number, the detailed information of this package, of this order will be shown below, and you can double check or confirm. And then scan again. So this order will be sent to pick up orders, which means the stock finally deducted. Okay, this is the 2 times. While if you want, if you want to save your time, you don't need to confirm before shipping. Just set it as 1 time. The first time scanning, this order will be sent to pick up orders directly. You don't have the chance to confirm or double check. This is the scan time settings. And also you can also generate manifest for the scan orders. Okay, generate manifest and check it in the manifest manager here. Right, this is the scan to ship. This is for users with a lot of orders. Okay. Okay. Ship and in process orders. Confirm. And this order will go to pick up orders. For orders to pick up, you are just waiting for the courier to pick up your orders, or you can just go to the drop-off point to drop off your packages. It's up to you. Okay, and after the courier, the logistics provider, after they scan this package, this order will go to the last status shipped. All right, just remember to keep these settings on. This one, setting and other settings. Other settings. This the first one, auto tools. Scanned orders will be auto move to shipped and deducted inventory. Keep this one on. So when the courier, when they scan a to pick up orders, this order will go to ship directly, automatically. Okay, keep this one on. Okay, let's go back to let's get back to the orders, to pick up orders, and same as the shipped orders. For orders in these two status, you can still print shipping labels and other sheets. Okay, as long as this order is within a week, like here, print here, or to pick up orders, print here. And another one is why the orders. So why the orders is mostly used when you wanna release the locked stock. Okay, like for example, for an in-process orders, the stock has been allocated, right? Has been locked. So now we can void it to release the stock. For other orders, whatever, void it. So the stock of this order will be released, and you can use it for other channels. Okay. And when you finally want to process these orders, you can revert back. So this order will occupy the stock again. This is the orders part. I'm not sure if I have missed some parts or steps. You can ask me after the training. Okay. So this is the first part, processing orders. Now, of course, we have some advantages of processing orders with Bigseller. The first one is handle all of your orders or marketplaces in just one page. Right, in the new orders page or other page. Here, if you don't filter it, just keep it as the default settings. You will see all the orders from all marketplaces, and you can handle it in just one page. And another amazing feature for in-process orders is that we can save the filters memory, right? We can, like, I want to filter all marketplaces or stores or warehouse. I want to filter this one only. And like print status, I want to filter the printing only. And I can set, after setting, we can click this button to save the filters. So whenever you come back to this page, you will see this filter conditions. Okay. Save. Like let's come back, and we'll see warehouse and print status. Set it and save it for future use. Okay, this is the this is the first advantage. And the second one, print your customized shipping label and invoice, as well as other kinds of sheets. I have introduced you the way to customize your own templates, right? In the settings here, whether shipping labels, invoice, pack list, pick list, just go to settings and enjoy our inventory features for free to better manage your stock and avoid accidents like overselling. It's true that most of our users, they use our orders and inventory together, better manage their stock. Like when the stock locked or deducted from an order, the data will be synced to inventory. So this the orders part, the order section and the inventory section are always used together. Okay, and it's strongly recommended that you use our inventory feature and process orders on Bigseller. right? That are some advantages of processing orders on Bigseller. Another very important thing I need to mention is that if you are ready to use our inventory feature, if you are using or about to use the Bigseller inventory, you need to process orders on Bigseller. Okay, you can process orders outside Bigseller, whether it's seller centers like Shopee, Lazada, or other ERP system. Otherwise, the stock will go wrong. Okay, if you process orders outside Bigseller, the inventory will not be synced on Bigseller and also to other stores. Okay, just keep this in mind. Processing orders on Bigseller if you are using the inventory features on Bigseller. Okay, this is the first part, processing orders. We should move forward to the second part, sync inventory. Also, we have 4 steps to use the sync inventory feature on Bigseller, and I'm going to explain some required fields, some required information, and notes for using sync inventory function. The first one, process orders in Bigseller, like I said. Okay. So let's go to here, inventory, sync inventory. How to use the sync inventory feature. Before we start to learn how to use the sync inventory features, I would like to introduce the meaning of this feature. Sync inventory feature is like when you are selling the same items across multiple stores. Like I'm running 5 shops on Shopee and 3 shops on Lazada and 4 shops on TikTok shops, whatever. And I'm selling the same items, totally same items on these channels, just to expand my marketing, right? I believe that most of you guys are doing the same thing, selling the same items in several stores. So in this case, we can use the sync inventory feature to help to sync the stock or the inventory across these stores, right? Like after we have done this, when the buyer places an order on whatever Shopee, Lazada, TikTok shop, other stores will deduct the same stock quantity automatically at the same time, right? Like buyer buys one on Shopee, Lazada deduct one, and TikTok shop deduct one. Okay. The premise is that you process orders on Bigseller. Okay. So we have introduced the meaning of the sync inventory feature. Let's now get to start. The first one is regulate the store SKU. SKU is very important. Like the store SKU is like the part from your stores, and the next step, merchant SKU, is like the part on Bigseller. How do we connect these 2 parts together? So this is the way we can do it, by mapping store SKUs and merchant SKU together. We establish a connection between the shops and Bigseller. Okay. So first, we need to regulate the store SKUs. Go to products, online listings. Make sure you have store SKUs for all of your items. Okay, don't leave it blank. Okay. And another thing, regulate the store SKUs to make it consistent for the same items. I am going to show you an example. Just a moment. This clip, I think this hair clip, we'll take this one as an example. Like for this SKU, this clip, I'm selling this clip on 2 shops, Shopee C and Shopee A, two Shopee shops. This is just a test account. It can be Lazada, Shopee, it can be TikTok, Lazada. Okay, just an example. So as you can see, I have regulated the store SKUs to the same, right? From the parent SKU, this one is not important. The variation is the most important one. Variations, right? A, B, B. I have regulated them to the same. So the first step, regulate store SKUs. You can either edit it on Seller Center or on Bigseller. It's up to you. Okay. Like I should start from the beginning. We can check all to bulk edit or single edit. It's up to you. Bulk edit, sync before edit. Okay. In case you have updated on your seller centers and it's not yet synced to Bigseller, so sync before edit. It takes certain time if we have a lot of items or listings. Okay. And when during the syncing, you will see if the sync is partially failed. For example, this one, for these listings, its sync failed because the store authorization has expired. Please reauthorize. If you have an expired store, we have sync it. Okay, let's add it first. If we have an expired store, we can go to the authorization page, just where you authorize, right? And you will see the expired ones. Click here to reconnect. Okay, let's go back to the products. We have just synced it. We have just synced, so this time we just edit. For example, all of your listings and new listings without store SKUs, right? All of the listings here are empty and blank. So we can bulk edit here to regulate the parent SKUs first. Bulk edit, add the prefix, and then the starting value. Prefix, whatever you want to input, just it reminds you. Okay, just as long as it reminds you, it's reminiscent. Like my name is Rex, so I can add a prefix as Rex 01. Confirm. Boom. All of the listings have been regulated in the way I said. The first one, reg 01, reg 02, reg 03, 04, 05. Okay. And after the parent SKU, we can generate the variations in just one click. Here, bulk edit also. Confirm. So you can see all the variations have become the parent SKU plus the variation attribute. Okay, reg 03 plus the attribute. So this is the way to regulate the store SKUs and then update it. So all of your listings have store SKUs. To regulate the store SKUs to the same for the same listings, there is no shortcut for this. We will need to copy and then paste it to make them consistent. Okay, like copy this one. Let's pretend this is the same listings. We go to edit and then paste the SKU we just copy to make them consistent. No shortcut for this. And we will finally see this one. like I just introduced. This is what we want to achieve. Same SKUs for same listings. And then we can generate merchant SKU for the store SKUs. Okay. Generate merchant SKU means mapping. This is the connection. Like this one, generate merchant SKU. Because these two listings, they have the same store SKUs, so the system has recognized that they are the same listings and then map them together with one merchant SKU. We'll check it in the merchant SKU list here. Okay, this one, right? You can see one merchant SKU maps with two store SKUs, Shopee C and Shopee A, because they have the same listings. Okay, let's go back to sync inventory. We have regulated the store SKUs and we have generated merchant SKUs. These two steps, store SKUs and merchant SKU, these two steps are called mapping. Like this. One merchant SKU mapped with several store SKUs. This is called mapping. And the second step, also the last step, add a sync inventory rule. In here, add a sync rule. Sorry, add a sync rule here. The rule name, it can be the title of the series, okay? And the sync merchant SKU. Select the SKUs, the listings that you want to sync. Today we are testing this one, so I select this one only. The A. Like for example, at your side, if you have done the mapping for all your listings, okay, you have done the mapping for all your listings, then you can select all to sync all of your listings. Okay, select all and confirm. And the warehouse, this is the supply warehouse. Usually choose the default one. The sync store, select all the stores that this SKU is selling on. Okay. As for this hair clip, you can see it's selling on Shopee A and Shopee C, right? So I choose these two shops. On your side, choose all the shops that this SKU is selling on, Shopify or Lazada, whatever, and confirm. And that rule name, SKU, warehouse, store, save it. And search the SKU to see the rules we just established. Make sure it's enabled. Okay, the status, make sure it's enabled. Okay, now we have done the sync inventory settings. Let's try to test it. Okay. We should check the stock in our shops first. Okay, let's check it first. This one, it's 300 on both shops, right? And now we try to, like I've introduced this earlier, manual stocking. We will try the manual stocking for the merchant SKU and see if the stock in our shops will follow the merchant SKU. Okay. Manual stocking. Add the stocking list. Here, search this one. Let's add 100 make 400. Submit. So the merchant SKU has become 400. All right. Let's come back to the products and see if the shops have updated. Okay, it's just showing delayed, but on your shops it's already 400, right? This is the sync inventory. By updating the stock of the merchant SKU, you can affect all the shops, whether 2 or 10, whatever. All the stores mapped under the merchant SKU will follow the merchant SKU. Okay, this is the first one. And second, like the buyer buys one on Shopee C, both Shopee C and Shopee A will become 399 because they share the stock of the merchant SKU, right? The merchant SKU is 400, they share it, so they will change correspondingly and automatically. This is the sync inventory. Okay. I guess that's all for the training tonight. And yes, you can feel free to ask any questions now. We try to see the broadcast. Reserve my questions for later. Chat system, how to check and connect. When we are about to run out of stock, how do we check we have error that should be matched to? When we are about to run out of stock, how do we check we have a variant that should be matched to a merchant SKU? How do we do that? In fact, this is different parts. If you want to check the run out items, you can here in the inventory list, you can set the stock alert. Okay, stock alert. Stock actions here. Stock alert settings. Okay, set this one, and when you have stock, when you have item that it's under this alert, we'll see in the dashboard. Low stock alert here. You can check it. Click this one to confirm the low stock items. Okay. I wish to use Bigseller inventory to manage my shops, but the orders will process using Bigseller, using Shopee and Lazada on Seller Center. If you want to use our inventory feature, but you process orders outside Bigseller, you will find it very inconvenient because the stock will go wrong. Between among the shops and Bigseller. I have problems in reauthorization. Fatin, what is your questions about reauthorization? Annie, where can I find this recording later? I'm a newbie. Yes, I'm recording this training now, and I'm gonna upload it like tomorrow morning. All right, and I will upload it to the YouTube and share the link with you guys in the WhatsApp groups. Okay. Okay, next question. Since sync inventory function is active only when we process the orders in Bigseller, is there a sub-account function on Bigseller that we can give the access to fulfillment warehouse to fulfill the order? Of course we do, Michelle. Check this. Commission settings. Before that, we need to see the limit of the commissions of the sub-accounts. Okay. For free plan, we support 2 sub-accounts. Okay. Commission settings here. Add the new sub-account or edit the existing sub-accounts. All right. Add a new sub-accounts. login account, like an email or something, password, and then the row settings, like the orders part, inventory part, or products part, and then assign the shops to this sub account, assign it to this sub account, and he or she will be able to help out with deal with the career, the business for you. Okay. And Jessica, how to use Docker? All right, Docker is another product of our company. Support multi-chat. Okay, multi-chat software. I'm going to show you an example of the Docker. Just a moment. I'm going to show you. Docker now supports Shopee and Lazada and Facebook marketing. Okay. Also, you need to authorize the shops to operate the shops on Docker, and then you can access the chat here for all your customers, clients, and you can set some quick reply, auto reply. Okay, review management, refund order also. More features and functions waiting for you to explore. This is the Docker. Just download here, and then after downloading Docker, you can come to the Bigseller support. We will offer you a 1 month trial VIP. Okay, 1 month VIP trial for Docker. I already asked inside the WhatsApp group. Hope you can see the screenshot. Which groups, Benning? I'm not sure which group. We'll talk about later. When I want the reauthorize pop out, please note that the permission of affiliate shop will be restricted. Is it a TikTok or Shopee? Online training group. I see nothing here. Shopee. Is it? Are you running an SIC shop? Setting. Yes, I guess so. You can authorize as usual, but it's said that some features will be restricted, but haven't found any. As for me, I didn't see any restriction on the affiliate account. Okay. Let's go back to Bigseller. Any questions about Bigseller from products like scrape, copy, orders, inventory, or report, profit analysis, store analysis? Any questions, you can ask me here. Okay. We still have a couple of minutes for the Q&A part. Just drop your questions. Whatever about Bigseller, subscription, authorization, settings, anything. I will upload the recording tomorrow, and if you are still confused about some features or are curious about some functions, you can come to me, come to Rex, and apply for a one-to-one training. Okay, it's available for the one-to-one training. Just come to Rex. For processing orders part and inventory management, no questions? Because I assume that the sync inventory part is a bit difficult for beginners. Is that all, you guys? If so, then we'll call it a day. Okay. For further questions, you can come to our supports in several channels: Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Viber. Okay, we have some channels to approach our support and customer service. If you guys have mastered the training, the lecture tonight, then we'll call it a day. We'll end here. All right. And we have a regular training every Wednesday. This week is English, and then next week is in Mandarin, Chinese. You can ask your Chinese friends to attend the training next Wednesday. Okay. So if no more questions now, thank you guys for attending. See you guys next time. All right. Have a good night, you guys. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Henry. Thank you. Really, thank you for attending. Good night, Jessica. See you guys next time. Okay. Bye-bye.